Are you ready for a Bubba unboxing and a Bubba try? You gonna try what's in here? We'll be right back. Oh yeah, I finally found him. And he's got a different one. Look at these. Look at these, Bubba. We got different. They are Block Party Barbecue. Beef, chicken, and cheese. And these are what that cat on YouTube tries. DG Ravioli is his name. I don't know the other cat's name. He's got two other cats. He's got one of those naked cats. Let me read them. Chicken Lickens. And they got two other ones. This is $1 something on Chewy. What do you want to try first? Do you want to try these? They're like I don't know. Meanie, Sticko, Kitty, Snickle. Freeze-dried cat treats on a stick like. Oh my goodness. We couldn't see. We'll try these. Move so I can open them. Oh, we need no scissors. Oh, then we see. Oh, they're individual. Can you smell them through this wrapper? I might need scissors for this. Move so I can cut it. Oh my goodness, it didn't even cut. Move so I can cut it. For the love of Brad Pitt. Are you ready? You ready? You're supposed to eat it. I wasted $1 something on this. They stink. If I just put this on the freaking floor and let them eat it. I'm not gonna sit here and do this. That's what most cats do, just bite it. They bite it! Bite it! That's what the cat on the commercial did. Or the review. Because he's going crazy. The cat on the review. There's a whole bunch of cats that are going crazy. Oh my goodness, I don't got anything to put this on. I'm sure he'll like this. He won't do a review of that. It's just basically like the same, but it's beef. But these are called Purr Pops. We'll just put it on this little container. We'll take it out of the here. Oh, we take out of here and stuff. You get 4 of these for $1 something. Just put them here. Leave it on the package. There you go. Hey, you just said leave it on the package. He won't, and he'll just pick up the frickin' crap. But if it does, it does. It is what it is. Everyone says that. It is what it is. There you go. I wonder if they're all the same color. I wonder if the beef is like a darker color. Oh my goodness. You like some? You go put these with the others. Not a treats. I know one guy. Oh, I know what the one guy did. I saw the one guy. He did something. I know what he did. This is two different videos. Let's get your scratcher. One guy, I know what he did. Ew, I touched it. That's what he did. One guy. Right now. There you go. Oh, wow. Thank you for YouTube. It's not about this the drama. It's about other things. Hooray! Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness. Come on, eat it with your old man teeth. He's getting old. Alright, bye. Say bye, Bubba. Oh, he bit it. He bit it. He's biting it. He's getting it. Oh, yeah. He got it. Where is it? He got it. That's a good idea. If you have a cat scratcher, stick it in the cat scratcher. There you go. Thank you to that guy that did that. What a mess. There you go. There's Bubba's frickin' review. He likes it. 2 paws up. Bye.